Is it really the man that I know, John Mahama, that I know, or is somebody else?
Writing stupid things on social media.
Now, and then since last week, I'm lost because only baby. Now me come be say you are John Mahama or me wofa kebe me de you are kufuad or me wofa me de say chada or me nia kebe me de now so ni be nia former president no eyeye no I say bibia ye share the campaign trailer you are John Mahama has been very insulting, very insulting. Over Nana Kwambedi Akwa, he's sticking with the issues. Oka issue base. You know about me, Oka issue base. All the other presidential except John Mahama, so-called the expert in communication, insulting, using words as stupid to describe his what? Fellow people.
John Mahama described Amidu as stupid. Recently, he was saying that people are writing stupid things on social media. What kind of character is this?
The new person said Chinabi Moya class bay and I'm over at Ghana.
Yes, I change and I say, or don't necessarily Odi na Oye. Nemum and Niswaduna or all say now all Ghana for Coco say, Obia or Belfast and Niswadihuno, obey to me at the developer Ghana.
Oh, yes, senor Kasa. Young guy. Again, what's wrong? I said, even if we don't win, your policies no can be what adopted. Who's a right from beginning? Yet, I may Nana Kwambedi Akwa say, the policies need a national policy and your party policy.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH, a father from Ben Bruce. Well, say a background as a sakra, a yen sakra, yeah. We are growing bigger and better every day. And then I can't be about here, man, Penia, which John Mahama. Last week in Sembio Kaya, I don't know, maybe say, is it really the man that I know, John Mahama, that I know, or is somebody else? Yeah, a bafflement. And Mahunientia. Sami Jenfinim Omano ye yano. People are talking rubbish. Because if you that Obia said this time, yes, statesman, ultimately catch a certain vice president of the Republic, so a stupid there, then I don't know the ideology behind you. They say he's a very good communicator, but I don't see that. Me, I see a man who is on the disaster mission because only maybe was on campaign. Because why you were saying that the no vice president to say we will be out one year me for serious. You got a video nimbra.
Serious.
Writing stupid things on social media.
Certain years is some maya. Hanka gonna any problem. Anna ye dia temnu dia di enfaya nkozihwe. Answer sashe. Ama potholes no, ama kwani anye niye. Ama nsu ameka ho. Ama schools ameka ho. Ama airport papa bi ameka ho. Ama habo ama ameka ho. Ama manfo asuma anjuom. Na ye ya ne se ya kire mofra no kasa enyefe na amfata yen. Enti no de enda ye yes nche obi wompa de papa ye. Enti wo no wo de atena nche.
Ipa bebre ehu ade a ebesi. Enti ebi mo omuyem ehihye omo. Omuyem ehihye omo. Because omunim say omo veluzi election we. Omuyem ehihye omo. Eninti say mwehu say atemdidie no ahye ase. Enyasa atemdidie no ahye ase. Asante fuona omubu omubese kasatente entoponko. Enyasa kasatente entoponko. Na the middle person say attempted and talk. Attempted and talk. And yes, bet me the attempts are and go see who will Lucy election. Who will Lucy.
Ewiase away de bia me ka bibi me say se enkwala wo fia ye de kasapa ene ne ye pa na tete omo Ghana ade ba ko a sebe ye nim ye enso aba ye body politics me ye insult Ghana ni enke bu ade pa benne Ghana fo etimi gina radio so no ye ya omampani or ye ya abadi echi and all that na enanu na since last week I'm lost because only baby na me come bibi say yewura John Mahama oyemi me wo fa kebe me de yewura kufuad oyemi wo fa me de se chada oyemi nia kebe me de na so ni bibi nia former president no eyeye no I say bibi ya because obi catch us say these are my questions o say we are not talking about this stupid what do you say insult? And you say some of the NDC people are defending some party assembly. That's what I'm talking about. Meanwhile, only maybe they be amika say adie na enya sabe me di nana kwa mechi but oye bibi na enya make a choose enye me can't trust because me a new force into bibi or baby aye but me who adie bi say kwasi assembly MPP ni be defending the stupidity in NDC MPP and then the NDC man will defend the stupidity comments in what the NDC. No apology. Because a penny to make a chair, your vice president or a stupid yeah, then me and me make a stupidity. I don't need to apologize. Yes. But when Sepeka said yes, I need to what? Up the game. Yes, share the campaign trailer. Yewura John Mahama has been very insulting. Very insulting. Offer Nana Kwabedi he's sticking with the issues. Oka issue base. Yewura Bawumia Oka issue base. All the other presidential except John Mahama, so-called the expert in communication, insulting, using words as stupid to describe his what? Fellow people. This same man Okoka say some people are your form when contest and see you mfuma ekadonko ebeka ekadonko you. How do you do that? Now maybe someone say sir Okolis kwa na who for bro mama do you respect we the ordinary Ghanaians? I don't think so. And now o person who be in comfort so now we move in comfort now then who are you? Otimika say we play stupid things on social media. What needs to be said, we will say it. We don't fear. We will say it. And nothing can happen. Because a high timer, penny, what do you say? We are now, penny or stupidity there. I don't use certain words on you because you're grown up. But you know, one of the finest communicators I've ever come across. Or can be John
Mahama described Amido as stupid. Recently, he was saying that people are writing stupid things on social media. What kind of character is this? What kind of character is this? Somebody who wants to lead people. People are either below you or people are being stupid. Why? What's the point of that? This is the character.
Doc.
You see? This is the character.
Let him finish.
Oh, I thought he was done.
No, let him finish.
Oh, okay. Because he's just repeating.
Let him
going
finish.
on and on.
You repeated yourself for 20
Let him
minutes.
finish.
We listen to you.
You'll move on to another topic.
Let him finish.
Too repetitive.
Randy, the man sat here, repeated himself for 20 minutes. We listened to him. He's not tolerant though. I don't. We listen to you. Talk about Afro barometer and this and that, and they went on and on.
There are many dimensions to the Afro barometer.
We listen quietly to you. Have a little bit of tolerance.
Who said? Nana Kumiaka said, did he use the word stupidity? I said, what's this? Have we gone so low say Ghana, your presidential candidates, no, ebi use the word stupidity on their own people, their own colleagues. Wow. Hey, Ghana, the landscape has changed. The political landscape has changed. Thanks to somebody like Nana Kwame Bediakunti, the political landscape has changed. So saying it's about issues. It's about what you can do for me, for my generation. It's not about messy toilet amount. I want you to bring something which will change the course of history. That's what I'm talking about. And Nana Kwame Bediakunti industrialization by here. All change say me industrialization and yeah 2x4 a massive something. That's what I want to hear. Why do you call somebody stupid? Are you correct yourself? Are you normal yourself? You are not. Because if you are normal, you call somebody stupid. I'm telling you. And whoever will defend this statement is also stupid. Because stupidity begets stupidity. You can't tell a certain president, you see, I don't care who is on that seat because it is what? The government seat is what? The government seat of what? Republic of Ghana. Yabba might belong to an MPP, but he is the vice president of what? Ghana. That's what we need to up the game. Dachi, will your mama, bow and slow because stupid Chewa. Will you be happy? I don't think so. You see, because of politics, Yaya must say, no, we are going into the ditch. Nah, it's because of this. I don't want to use certain words. It's too early. But, oh, yeah, baby, not lost there, governor, anyone. That's what happens. Your man, Penny, you need to come and apologize. Me to say I apologize, and I don't think you will. But your stupidity now, okay, you cannot. You see, what point you will start saying, how many are pointing at you? Are you saying he said we are stupid people and you want to rule what? Stupid people? Me, I'm not stupid. Maybe you are, and your cronies. Maybe you are stupid, but me, I'm not stupid. I urge Ghanaians, whoever will bring violence and insult, let's vote against that person. Ghana has gone too far. Yeah, too baby. We are ahead of time. We don't need this backward thinking. Some man far and far. One far and say far. Yenkotie Hubert, your kind, in case the new force doesn't win. Yenkomra.
Na yehwa yenim say obia airplane tidie na ekoba sese the new force no se china bi mu anya pass ben na mo wo de ma Ghana fo.
Yo, me that's the question now we bisa no. Say o hwe enioma ye de egu akwan mu a enye manifesto keke a developmental plan. It is a gift from Nana Kwame Bediako and the new course to the nation of Ghana. Enti enya ade se chenchena say ono na se odi na oye na emum niswade hu na owo a o hye na obo Ghana fo kokose obi a obefa say niswade hu no obetumi e de develop Ghana. Nyame na sihire enti de ebesie bia no ye de yakoma so ade ni se enioma ye de egu akwan mu no Ghana fo mpanimfo ebefa no mo de aye adwuma.
Oh, nyansani okasa. Young guy. Again wafam, again wasoro. I said even if you don't win, your policies no can be adopted. What's right from beginning? Yeti ameye Nana Kwame Bediako say the policies ni a national policy and your party policy. It's not about winning power. It's about taking Ghana to the next level. And this is what people don't understand. It's too big for people to understand. And they are calling people stupid because they themselves, they don't know what they are doing. If you call somebody stupid, then somebody will also call you stupid. But the new force is taking Ghana on a different level. You see, we have brought sanity in the political landscape. Nana Kwame Bediako, young man, I don't support violence. What I need is what? Results. Time I beg kwasi same way ya to abeg ya 4 years near campaign, we can use it to do something better. We need to up our game. Me and you, we know what to do. I expose GHFM members. Subscribe, mommy. It's too pay when you be a mamas.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.